All right, we're gonna go for a little hot lap here in a 2010 Dodge Challenger SRT8. So the SRT8 is the hot rod for this year. It's got a 6.1 liter Hemi engine, 425 horsepower. It's got the 5-speed automatic transmission. It's called auto stick, so you can kind of shift through the gears yourself if you want. I mean, finally these cars are coming down and getting affordable because it's an awesome car. I mean, the new ones got superchargers, they got the Hellcats and the red eyes and all that, and they're great, but they're a lot of money. This thing's $22,900 and it's finished in black pearl metallic. Pretty stock except for a cold air intake, you know, that's all smog legal and everything. Woo! It's a fast car, man. It's got the big wheels on there. I think they're 20-inch. They're powder coated black. The previous owner did that just for a cool look, you know. But it's got like a carbon fiber decal on the hood. But 4-wheel disc brakes, you know, cold air, nice sound system. It's got the kicker sub in the back. That's all original stuff. I've got the window sticker on it, and you know, both keys. Pretty cool though. I used to have the Magnum version of this, and I just forgot how great they drive. Super comfortable too. Leather seats with Alcantara inserts. This one's got a backup camera as well. And it's got a little over 80,000 miles on it. So anyway, we'll go up here and take some more pictures and video for you. All right, we're gonna do a little walk around here in this 2010 Dodge Challenger SRT8. So this is the bad boy for this year anyway. So when they started coming out with all that horsepower for the Challenger. So the SRT8 has a 6.1 liter Hemi, not supercharged or anything, just a little animal. 425 horsepower. It's got a 5-speed automatic transmission with auto stick. The auto stick works really well. You can shift yourself if you like, or just put it in gear and go. You stomp on it, thing will fry the tires. It's got these really nice 20-inch powder coated wheels. Brand new tires, Bridgestones all the way around. Car's got a clean Carfax, good history, runs fantastic. These things also came with the Brembo brakes. That's kind of cool. Little carbon fiber action there on the hood. Just really straight. Got a couple little things in the paint here and there. A little bit of light cracking there on the front. Somebody probably barely tapped something. There's a couple of scratches around the car, but you know what? For being, what is it, 13 years old? Really good shape, and it's only got about 80,000 miles on it. Let's show you the interior real quick. It's got tinted windows too, that's kind of nice. Thing's murdered out, all blacked out. So it's got power windows, power locks, cruise control, air conditioning. It's got the leather seats with the suede inserts. Super comfortable. Push button start. It's got the little display screen there, the backup camera. It's got heated seats. My wife likes those. It also has a sunroof. There's only a couple options you get with the SRT8, and I think the sunroof was one of them in the backup camera. Other than that, they kind of came with everything. And like I said, I have the window sticker for it too. Great looking car though. Runs like a top, passes smog, no modifications, and good little hot rod for not a lot of money. Here's the power plant in the 2010 Challenger. Look at that beast. A Hemi, 6.1 liter, 425 horsepower. There's that updated K&N filter that we have for it. I have the original box that goes on there too, but it gives you, I don't know how many horsepower, 7 horsepower more or something like that. But there's the sticker for it, shows it's smog legal. But really good, original car. Other than that, everything's the way it should be. Go ahead and fire it up for you. As I mentioned earlier, it's got push button start. As long as the key's in the car, press the foot on the brake and fires right up. Nice gauges and all that too. Little display section there tells you what radio station you're on, temperature, what direction you're headed, all that good stuff. Things sound good. They sound good, man. Pretty cool. So motor's nice and quiet, the way it should be. Some guys mod them up. You can do a little bit of stuff to it, louder exhaust if you want, but right now it's not a kid's car. It's just a nice little car. Drive to work every day. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out and see me at California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to help you. We can get this thing financed. We can get it shipped. A lot of different opportunities. You can trade something in if you have something we want. It's all good. Thanks for watching.